you're all doing fine. A big welcome back to the Wee Larder channel. But I am popping on today to say I have just released my new winter seasonal cooking guide. So back in autumn I actually started some seasonal cooking guides, and I'm hoping to do them every season, so obviously autumn, winter, spring, summer. So I've done 2 so far. The autumn one is on sale now. I think it's $1.99 on my website, and you can get my most recent one, the winter one, on sale as well. You can also buy them in combination with my cookbooks, and you can kind of save money that way as well. So in my guide, it is absolutely packed. I'm just going to show you, it's just on my phone here. So in my lovely new winter guide, I love to download these onto my, like even my own cookbooks, I love to download onto my phone, and I just scroll through them like so and do my recipes in the kitchen and stuff. So even I use my own guides. So in here it is absolutely packed with recipes for Christmas and Hogmanay, as you can imagine. So we've got what's in season for fruits. Obviously there's not much in season for fruits in the winter months, but we have vegetables and a few recipe suggestions and stuff as well. And all those recipes you will find on my website that I've suggested in my seasonal what's in season section. So we have a lovely Christmas menu. I can't wait to share this with you all. So this is just a standard family menu for us, and it's traditional to us with traditional Scottish foods in it, obviously. So we've got salads, starters, mains, desserts, drinks, and a cheese board, and I've got suggestions for everything in there. So we have seasonal recipes for you to try at home. So there's full recipes in here for chocolate trifle recipe, smoked salmon and beetroot salad. We've got iced mincemeat cake bars, smoked trout tatty scones, absolutely one of my favourites, I love that recipe, and old-fashioned Christmas truffles. So you can see all the lovely recipes there. And then we have a section on tips and tricks for this winter. So we've got ideas on making kitchen gifts and baking sets. We've got a mix and bowl hamper idea in there as well. And we also have kitchen crafts. So we've got make your own gingerbread bothy. This recipe also features in my Christmas cookbook, and it's one of my favourites. I absolutely love making it this time of year, especially with Mary. I love making the bothy and decorating it with sweets and everything. Obviously you can make your traditional gingerbread house if you want to, but being Scottish, we like to make wee bothies. Well, we do in our family anyway. It's not like a tradition in Scotland or anything. So we've got that. We've also got in the garden, so I've got a delicious recipe for creamy Brussel sprouts with bacon. I know not everybody likes Brussels sprouts, but trust me, you will after this recipe. They are so delicious, and every time I do the Christmas meal at our house for the Campbell clan, they always request the creamy bacon Brussels sprouts. We've also got creamy celeriac soup in there as well, and we have a Hogmanay menu too. I don't know if you can see that very well. With starters and nibble suggestions, mains, ideas, desserts, and it's just kind of like what we would have on Hogmanay. So, and pretty much all of it is traditional Scottish inspired. And then we also have a make with mum section, so I have that in all of my seasonal guides. And in this seasonal guide we've got iced Christmas biscuits, so we're going to be making those. One of our favourites to do. It's not Christmas without making some lovely iced Christmas biscuits. And then we just have a wee blank shopping list that you can print off and take with you if you want to as well. And just a wee thank you for me at the back there too. And that's my winter seasonal guide. So it is available just now over my website, and I hope you enjoy it. It's definitely my favourite so far. I've only done 2, but it's my favourite one so far. And I think I might make another seasonal guide in the new year, and I'm thinking about theming it on soup or stews or something to keep you guys all nice and cozy. So I'll put a link down below for my seasonal guide. I have loads of new recipes coming out, especially before Christmas and for Hogmanay and stuff, so keep your eyes peeled for those. And like I said, I'm sorry I haven't been on here for so long, but I am getting back into it, and I do apologise. And it feels so good to be back on YouTube, so I'm really looking forward to getting on with it and getting all my recipes out to you. So take care, lots of love from me, bye bye. Oh,